Okay, so we go into the next chapter, the sixth convergent test. We have comparison test, limit comparison test, integral test, divergent test, ratio test, and the root test. So we will go through for each of the convergent tests, two each time. Two convergent tests for each class until we finish all the convergent tests. So we start today by the comparison test. So the theorem said that let a summation of AK from k equal to 1 until infinity and the series of the BK where k equal to 1 until infinity be a series with a non-negative terms. And suppose that the B is the greater value, the greater series. So we have B1 greater than A1, B2 greater than A2, B3 greater than A3 until BK greater than AK. So if the BK converges, then the AK will be also converges. If the AK diverges, then the BK also diverges. For example, we have a series of 1 over square root k minus half for k equal to 1 until infinity, where the AK is the question itself, where we have 1 over square root k minus half, and then for the BK is the 1 over square root k. Okay, so the question is the summation of 1 over square root k minus half. Supposedly we have the BK should be greater than AK, but we have to test. So to test this series, we have to substitute the value where we already identify or classify that AK is the question, 1 over square root k minus half. So we substitute the value for 1, substitute the value of 1, substitute the value of 2, substitute the value of 3. So then we get the value of 2 plus 1.0939 plus 0.8117. And then the BK is the 1 over square root k, where usually to find BK we use this term or this method. Okay, so here we substitute the value of 1, 2 and 3. We get 1 plus 0.0701, 0.7001 plus 0.5774. Okay, so from here, when we compare the first term, we identify that the AK is greater than BK. So it denied the conclusion that BK is greater than AK. So that's why here we said that AK is greater than BK. So secondly, we have to test for the BK. So here we have the summation of 1 over square root k. So by using the P series, we have P. You see here is the square root k. So the P is k to the power of half. So the P is the power. P equal to half less than 1. So according to the P series, the series is diverges. So by comparison test, since the BK, the larger is diverges, the AK is diverges.